Love your generic mule cocktails? Here's another.
But way to sell it.
But it's Irish.
Click on the link.
Sorry.
Yeah,
Come on, it's Irish.
Happy St. Patrick's Day.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Welcome to Combat Cocktails. Today, Dan, Ian, and Derek are to show you how to make an Irish Mule. Because
it's tasty.
there's a reason.
Oh, what's the reason?
It's kind of close to St. Patrick's Day, I believe. This video goes out on like soon.
You have to do it
The
soon.
11th.
Oh,
That's
there
like
you go.
next week.
Very soon.
Yeah, so it makes it in time. Plus, last week I did a something. I can't remember what it was, but I did something for St. Patrick's Day. Oh, coffee, a chocolate Irish coffee. What do they call it? It's Irish coffee. Yeah, chocolate Irish coffee. Chocolate Irish
Makes
coffee.
sense.
Yeah, it was
sense.
Irish coffee with chocolate in it.
Mm.
Can't go wrong with that. So you should link below for that video. This is going to be 2 ounces of Irish whiskey. Let's see if my camera stays up. Okay, 2 ounces of Irish whiskey, half ounce of fresh lime juice, 4 ounces of ginger beer, 2 dashes of Angostura bitters, ice, a lime wheel if you want, mint sprigs. I got mint sprigs.
Oh, see?
See,
You are.
I had to buy it at the store because it's winter.
Look, see, we're going all in.
This is no joke.
It's been a while.
Oh look, it comes with the rubber bands.
I feel like I'm getting my feedback on me. It's been so long.
You know when we have garnishes?
It's
been a while. we
We only do them once a year.
We gotta spiff this shit up, so.
You're like, no, it's been a while. I'll use garnishes now.
I gotta use garnishes.
I can't get the fucking rubber band off though.
We have lots of stuff to taste.
There we go. Smells really nice.
It's a whole new setup.
I don't know.
I know.
Everything's
It's
different.
crazy.
The only thing that's the same is the bar.
You got a
Yes.
stagehand sneaking under the cameras.
See? New lights.
Not doing anything with the stage, just
Just
standing.
standing. Just doing stuff with his hands. His butt.
Whoa. Now,
Those are fast dashes. I'll say that.
Yeah, you just,
it's
you know.
still 1 milliliter any way you look at it.
This looks pretty good. And you're going to sprig that up?
I guess.
Sprig it up.
Sprig it
It
with
says to give a gentle stir, but I did not do that.
Yeah, no, how can you give it a stir?
gentle.
Everything's gone.
The spoon's right here.
Derek cleaned the bar, and there's nothing over here now.
God.
It is. That side was really cluttered.
Yeah, and now it's nice. Like I can stretch out over here now. It's great.
Yeah. It's
I
less
can
cluttered.
stretch out.
There's a new keg in there.
Yeah, there's a keg
We're
with,
gonna
with
try that.
actual beer that comes out. My refrigerator died, so then I'll tell you that story in a minute. So this, my friends, let's see, does it look okay on the camera? You're not even close to there because the couch is in a new spot.
I'm not sure what our producer does anymore now that she's so far away from us.
The cat is very demanding.
No, she just stares at us.
She came back here to check in on us when we first started.
All right.
So we were good.
Yeah,
The cat, not Jen.
that's true. Very true.
So while we sip that, my refrigerator died, so I bought a new refrigerator for that keg because I was going to get the beer, and then I got the refrigerator.
Mm-hmm.
And that one just started working like an asshole, right? So now I took the other fridge and put it upstairs because I might as well have a backup for when that eventually dies. I'll have this other one. It's refreshing. And then everything was going great. Then we played D&D one night. This one you weren't at. It was last time.
Right.
And Craig was here. Craig put his like Celsius in that refrigerator because this one's freaking full. Like not even 30 minutes. He's like, it's frozen. I was like, holy shit, cryogenics right there. I have no idea why. It was at the lowest setting. And so I put some other stuff in there, completely frozen. Everything would freeze. The beer was frozen. So it wasn't coming out of the tap anymore.
Oh.
And so now I have this new system, which is rigged up right there with a thermostat. When it gets to 45 or 46 degrees or something, the entire fridge just shuts off. And then the thermostat inside, when it gets down to like 2 degrees less, it just turns the thing back on. So all it does is basically turn the refrigerator on and off over and over again. It was a pain in the ass. I've never seen like shit freeze in 30 minutes before.
That's crazy.
It was.
That's kinda
You couldn't put it
cold.
outside. Got it that cold. It was like 4 degrees or something. Like I put a thermostat in there, and I'm like, how does it? It just keeps getting colder.
It's because it identifies as a freezer. Obviously.
It must be. It must be.
And you're not letting it change.
That's right.
No, I am the parent.
It's taking Freon.
It's taking Freon.
It's been taking Freon behind my back.
That's good.
It is
Came
good.
down from Canada.
It's very refreshing.
It is everything you would expect from like a ginger drink. The Angostura, I think, is kind of one of the killer properties I find in there. Like, I like the taste of Angostura.
You get the cloviness a little bit, yeah.
Yeah, you get the clove. Well,
The
otherwise,
smell of the mint is nice with the clove too.
yeah. But when you take ginger beer and you put lime with it, it pretty much is just a ginger drink.
It's a book that writes itself.
It literally doesn't matter what you put in there.
I would have a hard time telling you why this is better or worse than Dark and Stormy. Like the Dark and Stormy has like that whatever dark beer
It's a
or dark
dark
rum you use, but like this has the Angostura bitters, so
Yeah.
it's like it. I don't know. It just tastes a little bit more interesting.
Without
I like
being
Dark and
as
Stormy.
heavy. As
Right.
Dark and Stormy.
Yeah.
The Dark and Stormy.
Unless you get it at Empire.
Is it watered down?
I don't know what it was.
Who knows?
You get into the dance club, and if you can make it to the
Oh, he has been there. He
Yeah.
loves it.
and you get there,
Oh, boy.
and every
Can't wait
drink,
to go back.
everything tastes the same. Like it's
Yes.
and this is just like it's
Well,
just some girl doing this with like
Here's a rule of thumb. If you go
Don't-
to a bar and they serve things in plastic cups, don't
Right.
expect craft cocktails.
on top of what
That's
made
why
it.
you get a dark stormy.
Right. Because it's
Right.
pretty, it's
It's
pretty
just
basic.
too
I had no
Yeah.
idea what I was
Yeah.
getting at, and because you can't hear Dan's like yelling in my ears, like it's a dark and stormy. Trust me, you want to stay like simple.
Yeah.
I was like, well, we had just come from a craft cocktail bar for like what 3 hours sitting
Did you
there.
guys go to committee across the street?
No,
No, we went to back bar.
Oh, okay.
so we're having all these like crazy cocktails.
I'm like, that seems like
speakeasy.
a chain to go to committee and then Empire.
No, this-
Oh,
Street
we
food.
tried to go to committee first. We actually did.
Yeah, so that we started there, $100 a round, right, basically, and then you go there. I don't even know what it didn't cost that much, but they were not good. So like, it's almost
No,
just
they're-
get soda water and just
Yeah.
pretend you're drinking and call good.
They're not trying to serve good drinks.
No,
That's not their.
This would be awful there. Like this is still above and beyond, regardless of whether you like this or Dark and Stormy or any of that, or even a gin mule, like a vodka. What do they call it? A gin mule,
Just
or
a
no,
mule.
vodka mule, or a mule, or say
you know,
kind
Moscow
of
Mule.
Moscow Mule. Yeah.
it's everything.
Yeah, those will be infinitely better.
They
than
all
anything
taste the
that-
same.
Yeah,
Anything you
it's-
throw ginger beer in, it tastes exactly the
because
same.
it's spicy ginger.
Yeah.
It's good for the pool.
And then if you put Ango in there, you have no idea what the liquor is.
no, but it.
Yeah, I can't taste it.
You can't taste the. Yeah, you can't.
Yeah,
taste
you're
the
not.
Irish.
You don't like use powers. This is like $60.
You use
bottle.
Jameson.
You just use Jameson.
Yeah.
I didn't use Jameson because I don't want to deal with the trolls.
It's too much for you.
I didn't want to
I
deal
forgot how to
with the.
drink. It's been so long.
I know you gotta get it together.
It's like
Nailed it.
drinking water, but like with other stuff in it.
Yeah, but I drink water too fast.
Oh.
I'm not used to drinking slow.
Yeah, and the bubbles. So I would say
That just throws it off.
for a St. Patrick's Day drink, this is a St. Patrick's Day drink you have at a sports bar, right? Like, because let's be honest. If you-
Yeah, but the minute they put Ango in it, that's like an elevated sports bar.
I know, yeah,
I mean,
I don't know where you
Yeah.
have to specifically ask for it. But if you go to a craft cocktail bar, I don't think this would be the drink I'd go to. Like, I wouldn't be just doing a ginger mixer type of drink. I want to get like whatever they think the bar, like whatever the bartender has for St. Patrick's Day would probably be better, more interesting than this. But it's a good fallback. I would just rather have this probably at the pool than say the 11th of March or whatever the hell St. Patrick's Day is. Maybe it's the 17th. Yeah, it's this one's it's 11th of March today for them. For us, it's not even.
I'm like, what? I don't even know what day it is anymore.
No,
I'm really confused.
Everything.
no, we recorded
Happy Easter.
Thank God. Thank God that's over.
We're getting there. So there you go. Make that drink. There's a bartender starter kit below. It's at shop.austindrace.com. I redesigned the new website. That's what I've been doing for the last couple of weeks. I keep forgetting like where all my time
Oh,
went.
so everybody needs to go see it.
Yeah, so you got to go there and click the links below. They'll all be there. That's it. Tisha.